Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do a customer data search to grab your top 500 spending customers. First thing you want to do is you want to go into the customers module. So once we're in the customer module, we want to go to search customer data. So in here we need to create a profile. So we want to click on new. And then the first thing I want to go to in here is I want to go to the loyalty tab. So in the loyalty tab, what you want to do is you want to say, I want to know who spent at least $300 from, let's say, the beginning of the year. Let's say 1/1/2018 until now. I mean, you can run it for like all of 2017 too if you wanted using the same thing. Next thing we want to do is we want to give this thing a title. So I'll just call it Top Spenders. And then I go to the Output tab. You see right here it says Required Settings, Output Type. So I go to the Output. And I hit this drop down here and I want to do an output file. Because maybe you're going to be sending this to a customer marketing company or something and you want to send out mailers or something like that. So you can do an output file. Then you say output file name. You click on the little folder there. And this one, I am going to go to my big spenders folder here, and I am going to call this one big spenders. As you can see, the output file name, it goes to C drive, users, Sean, desktop, big spenders, and big spenders.txt. So that's my text file. It's going to create a file that I can send to somebody. Next thing I want to do is I want to go to options here. I want to say one per customer, because if I don't, this one per invoice is going to generate, thousands and thousands of the same customer. Every single invoice, that customers ever did, it's going to show up. So we want to say one per customer because that's all we want. Then we want to go to fields here. So in the fields, we need to select exactly what we want to populate here. So maybe the customer marketing company is going to be mailing this for you, this stuff out. So first thing you want to do is you want to grab first name and then last name, add, and then I want city, and I want state, my street, and my zip. Alright, so those are our fields that we're going to be populating in this file here. So next thing we want to do is we just want to save it. So we just click the save button here. And then it goes to your customer profile search right here. So if I say done on that, it goes away. So now if I want to run it, actually, I click on the customer data search button here, and I see my top spenders there. So I click run, and it's going to run through all my customers and display, all of my top spenders for that time frame. Let's see what we got here. More than 500. Oh, we're at 698. So I'll say OK, and then let me go to my file. Here, I got my big spenders. Let me open that up, and then this is what it looks like. It just puts it in a text field that's tab delimited, so when you send it to your customer marketing company, they can pull all that stuff out. Or you can put it in Excel if you want and send it off to them that way. Before the end of the video, I can show you guys how to put it in Excel if you want. So let me close that. And since I got more than 500, I need to make an adjustment. So I want to click Edit. And I go to my loyalty tab here. And let's say I want to see who spent at least $400. So I change that, I hit save, I overwrite, run it. And I got 571 this time. So I say OK, and there it is. So I go to here, open up my file, and there it is, all of my big spenders there. Anybody who spent over $400. If you want to get it closer to 500, you can come in here and then you can edit your loyalty button again. You know, to say like, I want to see everyone who spent 450. Overwrite, run. $513, a little bit closer. So let me say OK. And there's my list. Let me go back to my thing here. All right, so let's say you wanted to put this in Excel. So if you wanted to save it to Excel or something. So you can open this up, and then I use Control A on my keyboard to select everything. Then I right click and I hit copy. And then I want to find Excel. So I open this up, open up Excel, start a new workbook, and I'll paste it in the first column. So if you wanted to get it in Excel, you can put it in Excel as well. But this would be all your customers' information. You know, if you wanted to add different fields like email, you can add different fields, you know, that you can put in the output file as well. And basically all you do is just go to that the fields tab here in here, and you could add email to it as well, and it'll put anything you want, you know, that's in this list here. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's how you set it up to where you can output your customers using the customer data search tool. If you guys have any questions, please call our support department. Thank you.